Moving on to the... Hello everyone, it's me Sampurna Karmakar, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, don't forget to consider subscribing, but only after watching this video and only if you like. This is my first video of 2022, wishing you all a very happy new year, and I hope this year is better than 2021 for all of you guys. Okay, so for my first video this year, I have a one brand tutorial for you guys, and I have posted this on my Instagram few months back. And most of you wanted me to do Swiss Beauty one brand makeup tutorial, so here it is. I would first of all like to apologize to you guys that I was not very consistent with my videos. I really wanted to post this Swiss Beauty tutorial on the new year, but my file got corrupted and I was not able to do that. But for this video, again something went wrong, but then I had to cope up with it and I created this look. I lost my eyeshadow palette, the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, this one. I cannot find it anywhere and I don't remember where I kept it. Anyways, so I have another Swiss Beauty palette which you're going to see in this video, and using that I created this makeup look. And if you want to know how I did this, so without blabbering, let's get into the video. Okay, so I am back with my bare face. Now I am going to do the first step, which is prepping up my skin, and for that I have the Swiss Beauty's Golden Skincare Serum. The bottle looks really pretty, very luxurious, and I am going to take a few drops, apply it all over my face. I quite like the serum, it's not sticky. I think it has absorbed into my skin very quickly. Okay, moving on to the next step, I have their primer. This is the Real Base Makeup Primer, and I do not want to talk about this because in almost all of my videos I have been ranting about this. So without like wasting your time, I will just apply this. This is an illuminating primer for a very dewy and glowy finish. Can you see the glow? Done priming. Now I'm going to jump into the foundation. So the foundation that I have, it's their high coverage waterproof base foundation, Silk Touch Create the Nude Makeup. Ooh, it says high coverage. We're gonna see about that. I'm gonna take, I don't know, have I taken too much? I think so. Is this even matching my skin tone? By the way, they did not have a lot of shades about the shade. Oh my god, I'm scared. I have a damp sponge with me and I'm going to just blend it. Most of the product mera beauty blender kha gaya, and I'm not happy with this one. This ate up my foundation. Coming on to the foundation, I don't know whether I'd like it or not. When I used it for the first time, I quite liked it, but today I don't know what's wrong. The coverage is not very good. I think it's getting patchy, like right here. I don't know whether I like it. Moving on to the concealer, I have their Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. I will not stop and start ranting about this because again, one of my obsession. I've mentioned it in a lot of my videos, most of my videos, and I love it. I hate this sponge, but yeah, the concealer has saved us because I think my face looks much better with the concealer on. Moving on to the brows. Now I am going to use their Swiss Beauty Shape My Brows Eyebrow Kit. This is how it looks. It has this wax and then these 3 shades to fill in the brows. It comes with this teeny tiny brush. I am not very pro, in doing my brows. But yeah, I am going to take the spoolie, dip into this wax. I have filled in my brows, but I know it looks very tacky and weird right now. But yeah, I'm just going to clean up my brows using the concealer. Alrighty, so we are done with the brows. Can you see how chiseled the brows look now? Moving on to the next, I would like to move on to my eyeshadow, and for that I have their Swiss Beauty Arte eyeshadow mousse. Arte or Arte, whatever you want to call it. I have been using this since a very long time now. I had also ordered their eyeshadow palette, but I somehow lost it, as I mentioned in the intro. But I'm going to go ahead and use this one and try to create an eyeshadow and eye makeup look. Okay, I am going to take this shade and do my crease. I'm taking a blending brush, just dipping into this shade. This is a mousse palette, so obviously all are glitter or shimmer shades. The texture is very smooth, very blendable, and you are going to fall in love with this palette. All the shades are like, you can use it as a one and done eyeshadow, like one shade you pop on and the wing liner, and then you're good to go. Next, I am going to take this shade right here and darken out the outer corners with the same brush, blending brush. I'm just taking this with my very light hand. You don't have to brush it because it's not chalky, it's a mousse. So beautiful. I'm going to take a flat top brush, taking this shade and do my lower lash line. Alright, now I'm going to take the brush that came with this palette, and I am going to take this shade right here and fill in my inner corners. Okay, done with the eyeshadow. I love it. I love the eye look. It's very subtle, very glamorous, and you can even wear it for the parties. You can even wear it for outing or date or anything of that sort. Next up, I have their Swiss Beauty Baked Blusher and Highlighter. I prefer contouring or bronzing my face, but I think I can bronze it with this one. Now for the blush, I'm going to mix a bit of these two shades and create my blush. Ooh, I love it. It's not very pigmented. You can build it up and love it. For the highlighter, I'm going to use this shade right here and highlight my face. It's not very pigmented, so I think that is the reason why. Okay, this as a blush is amazing. It even helped me bronze my face. So yeah, as a bronzer and a blush, I can recommend it to you guys, but as a highlighter, not so much. Now I'm going to set my face using the Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Primer and Mattifying Setting Powder. I usually don't powder my face. I don't like to powder my face because I'm a dry skin type, but I had to use it to give the review. So it comes with a pad. It comes with a pad like this, and okay, I quite like the powder. If you are an oily skin type, you can definitely go for the powder. The powder is very fine and it definitely mattified my face. So I think it's gonna help you get that oil to be controlled. Yeah, so I would give that a big thumbs up. Alrighty, moving on. The next product that I have is an eyeliner. I usually nowadays don't use eyeliners, but I was like, why not? I have this Swiss Beauty Jet Black Liquid Long Lasting Eyeliner. The packaging is really cute, but it's plastic. But can you see? So cute. And I am just going to go ahead and create a small wing liner with this one. It's definitely jet black and I love the wand, really helping me draw that wing liner better. I really love it because it's very affordable and it's jet black and the wand helps you draw the wing liner better. And yeah, a big thumbs up. Next, I also have their Swiss Beauty Glimmer Eyeliner. It is a kohl basically, very jet black, but I don't think it's smudge proof. It's not very pigmented on the eyes. I'm literally going very harsh with this one. This retails for rupees I think 45 or something. A nay from my side. Now moving on to the lipstick, and for lipstick I have their Swiss Beauty Matte Revolution lipstick right here. I have it in the shade Russian Red. It's a red lipstick, like very red. I usually would not wear red with this makeup on, but I wanted to try this red and see whether it suits my skin tone or not. It was very affordable. I think this was under rupees 150. I think it was 100 rupees, something like that. I'll mention everything on the screen and I'm just gonna shut up and apply this. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Gloss Me by Swiss Beauty. I love this gloss because the consistency is really good. Can you see? I love it. Now I'm going to take a quick little shower in the makeup fixer. The makeup fixer I have is the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. I love this one. I've used it 2 to 3 times. Has a bit of alcohol-y smell in it, but that's okay with me. But if you are like sensitive to smell and all, you can skip this. I quite like this one. This sets the makeup really well, makes it long lasting. For eyelashes, I have their eyelashes by Swiss Beauty 3D Studio Effect eyelashes, and you know I am like totally obsessed with their eyelashes. So yeah, I'm just gonna go offline, do my lashes, get ready and be right back. So this is the final look and I hope you like it because I love it. It's very glamorous, very in with the glossy lip and the ombre eyes. I love it. I'm wearing a sari right now because I really love wearing saris and I have not done a lot of videos in saris, so I was like, why not? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if I had to pick like top 3 products from Swiss Beauty, I would not include the primer, the concealer, the lip gloss, because I've been using these since a very long time and I'm very obsessed with those. But apart from that, if I had to choose 3 products, I would go with, first of all, the setting spray. It is really good. It gives an amazing glow, like glow from within kind of a glow. So you can definitely go ahead and purchase a very affordable setting spray that is from Swiss Beauty, this one. Then I would like to choose the brow kit. I really liked it. I think if you are a beginner, it's a very affordable eyebrow kit to learn how you wax it and how you fill in the brows and everything. It's gonna make you a pro with practice. And the third product would be hands down the eyeshadow palette, which I lost. I could not show you guys, but let me know if you want to see the clip. I'll post it on my Instagram, like just that part wherein I'm using that eyeshadow palette. I'll try to post that part. Just let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, you have come to the end of this video. I will remind you, consider subscribing to my channel and do like this video if you liked it. Guys, I love Swiss Beauty and I am totally obsessed with so many products that they have. It's very affordable, very reasonable, and like worth every penny, you know. So there are very few products which disappoints me. I mean, they are not even paying me to say these things, you know. But yeah, I am obsessed with Swiss Beauty. Kya kare? That is it for today's video. I will see you next time. Until then, take care and I love you all. Bye.